Okay, we are at another beach spot in Skanör. More specifically at the Skanör beach wooden houses. These beautiful wooden cabins right on the beach that has pretty nice white sand, and it is the best sea. Yes, it is 12th of May 2024. It is now 3 p.m. and I'm exploring Skanör and the beaches in Malmö and Skåne, as today is my 4th day of my Eurovision adventure that I combine it also with beach adventures. And I decided today, on this Sunday, as I have full day without any Eurovision activities, to explore the beaches. I earlier explored the larger part of the Skanör beach that's after the port on that side, but on this coast, if I follow, it's 3 kilometers of beach, sandy part that ends up with a nudist beach that I'm on my way later after this beach adventure. So you see, these are the wooden houses. They are basically for just a night's sleep. I don't think there is anything else in these wooden houses inside. So they are like summer cabin houses for the people that live nearby and can enjoy a nice swim in the sea. Okay, it is 13 degrees Celsius right now in the air, and in the sea it is 8.4 based on the satellite measurement. I just saw the temperature in Stockholm, and there it is 22 degrees. So I'm not really sure why is it colder over here, because this is like 5 to 6 hours train ride from Stockholm in the south direction. So yeah, I'm now in the southern part, one of the southernmost part of Sweden, right next to, the next country that you enter from this point is Copenhagen, from the Öresund bridge that you can see, but yeah, in the distance over there. Anyway, let's then take another swim. I have been enjoying quite some time on the beautiful beach Skanör, the main part that's on the other side, closer to the all the restaurants and stuff, but I also wanted to try and show you different spots of this beautiful village actually, Skanör, located in Vellinge municipality. And I don't know, I just can't believe my eyes. Is this what I'm seeing? White, pure sand, beautiful sea. This doesn't give any feeling at all that I'm in Sweden, but I actually am. And despite the sunny weather that you can see, it's a bit chilly, but 13 degrees I can work with, as I have been swimming in a lot colder conditions in Stockholm. So with the sun up, it makes it also a bit warmer. And the wind is not that crazy today as well. So yeah, Eurovision joy is over. So now I can fully focus on my beach adventures going forward. But I have a lot of content for Eurovision that is pending to be posted, so watch out for those shorts as well. But beach adventures videos, I need to post them. I have a lot of content now that I need to post, so they will be coming up as we speak. Beautiful, I mean, look at that. I just think this is so beautiful view of those colorful houses and the white sandy beach. And yes, right there in the middle of the video that you can see now, there is also like dog beach suitable for dogs, because dogs are not allowed on the other parts of the beach here, because it is also a nature reserve as well and is protected, as we need to take good care of our nature if we want to use it wisely. I can't believe I'm taking a swim on 12th of May in Skåne, in Skanör. This is actually a very popular summer destination, mostly for Swedish people, but also for people from Germany, from Denmark, and other Western countries that come here with their van, those campers that you can sleep inside. There are many campings around here in Skåne that you can rest and be. Alright, then we are going down in the sea, taking a swim in 3, 2, 1. Amazing! Oh my god, I love this side. It's beautiful. And if you live in Malmö also, which is the third largest city in Sweden, you have a direct bus to come here that takes like half an hour. So you can also come here by bicycle. If it was me, it's not that far. It's usually how I ride also in Stockholm to the sea as well. But this is a bit more special and a bit more saltier sea here. And it's amazing, amazing. Cool! That's a wrap from Skanör beach, more specifically at the wooden houses here in Skanör, Vellinge, Skåne, Sweden, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!